everybody. It's Ann Louise. Hello to my friends, my family, my fans. Hello, hello. 5 more days and we're launching my next book, my 35th book, and it's Radical Metabolism. Yes, a powerful new plan to blast fat and reignite your energy in just 21 days. This is the book. If you're a no to slow loser, check. If you have hypothyroid, check. If you don't have your gallbladder or have a sluggish system, check. Or if you have some kind of autoimmune condition and want to revamp your diet and want to augment your health. So this is the book that took me about 15 years to write. I've collected all kinds of health hacks, tips, and tricks that I've put in this one little volume for you. You can get it at radicalmetabolism.com. We've got all kinds of free gifts, 25 recipes that you can download, as well as a 30% off coupon to the best coffee in the country, the highest antioxidant, pesticide-free, and mold-free coffee. That's all yours. What I want to tell you about are the 5 rules that are the basis of the book. So there are 5 radical rules for the book that rewrites the rules of nutrition. The first one is to revamp your fats. That's radical rule number 1. How do we revamp our fats? With the use of the omega-6 fats that nobody is talking about. We have 5 different sources of the omega-6 fats that are part of every diet, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And one of them is none other than Siberian pine nut oil that can rejuvenate, replace, and revive your entire digestive tract, particularly if you've got any kind of irritation or corrosion of your esophagus, of your small intestine or large intestine. So for those of us that have GERD, have ulcers, or even problems with digestion or leaky gut, pine nut oil is where it's at, as well as hemp seed oil and sesame oil and ghee. So that's radical rule number 1. I'll be back tomorrow for radical rule number 2, but please visit radicalmetabolism.com. Please leave a comment. Let me know where you're from. I love you all, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Have a radically wonderful and healthy day.